Hi, today we are going to continue solve quadratic equation by completing square, the harder one. So this one, first thing you need to do, leading coefficient, you need to make 1. So in this case, -2 times x squared, so you divide by everything, all terms by -2. In this case, divide by 3 everywhere. So I'm going to divide -2 here, I'm going to do -2 here, I'm going to divide -2 here. So that becomes now x squared, which is 1 now, and minus 6x plus 10 right here. So you need to make 1, that's first step, okay? Make 1. And second step, now you move this constant to the other side. So constant move outside and then leave just 2 terms on the left side. So x squared minus 6x, move the other side, -10, right? And that's the second step. And third step, now what? Third step, you add, when this is 1, half square both sides. So half is -3, right? -3 square, we add both sides. So you can add here, same thing, but this one you can calculate here. So just that's -3 times -3, which is +9. I add same number on both sides. So all time equation, you need to do the same thing, both sides. If you do one thing, one side add 9, then you need to add the other side 9 too, right? And then that was third step. And fourth step is what? Yes. Now from this you can make a pop x squared. So inside the parenthesis, 1 each of the under the square, first term and last term. First term and last term. Here, so x, here -3, that one square. So you make from 3 trinomial, make binomial square. Okay, so you can practice that one too. But here, -1 you calculate. Okay, that was fourth step. And then fifth step, now you're going to take a square root to both sides and put the plus minus there. But when you do it, inside of square root there's negative number, then this is not possible in real number. So we call it right there. You can say, you don't need to solve it. You don't need to continue. Just so you say no real solution, because something square cannot be real number. Cannot be -1. That's impossible in real number. And now this problem, our first step was what? Okay, let's do first step. So divide by 3 everywhere. Divide by 3 everywhere. Divide by 3 everywhere. So that becomes now x squared minus 10 over 3 x. And then -1. Oh yeah, already. So the constants move the other side, so we don't need to hear about that step, right? Now, what's the third step? Yes, we're gonna add half of the middle term, which is first degree. So -10 over 3, half means all the time you multiply 1/2. Half means 1/2, right? So, and then you can simplify. This is about divide by 2, and this is 5. So become, that's what? -5 over 3. So -5 over 3 square. You're going to add this side. Then you can calculate this. -5 square is 25 over 9. Right? And now on the right side you can simplify, because this is denominator is 9. Nothing means there will be denominator 1 there. So we make same denominator, which is multiply 9 here. Then you multiply 9 here. So on the right side, -9 plus 25, both denominators are 9. So 9, calculate, that's 16. So you can make, simplify that way. Here, under the square, which is x here, under the square, -5 over 3. So you're going to make it this x and -5 over 3 square. Right. And then what is the next step? Yeah, you can take it opposite operation, which is a square, then square root both sides. Square root both sides, and all the time don't forget, when you take off the square by taking square root, then on the other side plus minus. Because x squared 4, then all the time -2 times -2 also become +4. So this one all the time square root plus minus. So answer plus minus, 4 is a 2 square, so plus minus 2. So same way. And then now this square root and square cancels out. So x minus 5 over 3 equals plus minus 4. 16 is 4 square, so they can become 4. and then 9 3 squared, that become 4. Now we can solve a linear equation. So by adding 5 over 4, 5 over 3 plus minus 4 over 3. Then x equals 5 over 3 plus 4 over 3, which is 9 over 3, which is 3. Or x equals 5 over 3 minus 4 over 3, which is 5 minus 4, 1 over 3. This is a final answer.